if you compare this with the ha, again, if you compare the ha with the ha, there is a difference. This one is as if you're out of breath, huh? It's ha, it's very soft, huh? If you compare it with the ha, ha is like a harsh sound. It's like you're panting. Okay, so the ha is more relaxed, as if you're inhaling and exhaling air. So as if you had a long day and now you're kind of like relaxed and saying, ah, yeah. So the next letter again is the hamza, which is written like this, and the hamza usually goes with the alif, and most scholars consider that the hamza is also an alif. It's called hamza. Okay, hamza. The last letter is just follow me. You go to the top, to the bottom, like this, and it gets 2 dots in the bottom. Okay, and it's called yay. It's like you're saying yay, we finished the Arabic alphabets. Finally we finished the Arabic alphabets, and ya is the last Arabic alphabet, and it's called ya, yay, yay. Okay, so let's recap on the Arabic alphabets together now, all together. Okay, so follow me and let's recap on it all together. Alif, alif, b, 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 ba, t, 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 ta, th, th, tha, jim, ha, kha, d, d, dal, th, dhal, r, ra, z, za, s, she, seen, sh, sheen, s, sa or sad, d, 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 dod, ta, to, ta, th, th, tha.